Here we have our engine rebuild break-in machine built by the way that they did it in the factory, by running the bike on rollers for 10 minutes at 35 miles an hour. We're going to run the bike for 15 minutes at about 1500 RPMs with this electric motor. So the motor's in there. It's all hooked up to an oil filter, and the engine's been primed with motor oil. We use 10W30 to break the piston rings in and stuff for the 15-minute turnover here. So you can watch the oil pressure. And that's what we're going to do right now, plug her in. Hang on. So now we got it running with the electric motor. Everything is rolling over. Changed a little loose and slacking around there a bit, so I got a pair of pliers to keep the tension on. Anyway, everything sounds good. We got 50, almost 60 pounds of oil pressure, and we'll let that run for 15 minutes, and then set it off, and then we're going to go to the gas. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so now we've run the motor in on the 10W30 oil, drained it out, put in the 2050 Brad Penn break-in oil, and we got the nice tri-spark in there, you know, easy starting. Anyway, we're going to start it now. So the carbs are set approximately, and we turn on the gas. Tickle the carburetor. Turn it on and give her a kick. Let her warm up a bit. About 80 pounds of pressure. Makes it sound pretty good. Let her warm up a bit. Now it's nice and strong. Everything looks good. So we're going to shut it off and check for any oil leaks and stuff like that. And start it a couple more times before we ship it. Anyway, that's the startup machine.